Hi, right, okay, Old Man Vapor here. Now, here we have David Gabels PWM board, and as you can see it's got one hell of a space for a giant MOSFET on board, and here the solder things for up and down and fire, and a nice LED display which shows you the battery voltage. Anyway, I decided that I wanted something a bit different. So, David Gabels very kindly gave me the zip files so I could play about with them. And this is what I came up with. What it is... I'll get control of this camera in a minute. Right, what it is... Oh, why is that... Oh, there's it focusing. Oh, great. I'm really doing well at this. Right, okay, so basically I've shortened it, taken out the voltmeter, added in an extra slot there, so it measures the volts coming out to the 510 here. But it won't work if you use a digital pot, because basically it's a PWM signal that goes all over the place. However, I found that if I put in this nice little analog meter, you could use any analog meter I suppose. Now I'm getting 7 volts on the analog and 6.78 DC and 8.87 AC, because obviously it's pulsing. Now if I press the up button, and I keep pressing it a few times, let's see what happens now. Wait, okay, we've gone up to 8 volts, well, nearly 9. Okay, let's press it up a few times more, let's go for it, and fire. Way, it says 10.5 on both, so that's pretty cool. The only thing is, I'm pressing down now, the only thing is, obviously you'd have to use an analog voltmeter. Anyway, I've shared this on the OHS Park, so I'll press that down a lot. Let's see what happens now. Okay, it's reading 5.5 and a little bit more on the analog one. This analog one is from China. They're incredibly cheap. You probably wouldn't want to use something quite that big in your mod, but I thought it would be a bit of a giggle. Anyway, thank you very much to David Gabels for doing this, and as I said, this small board is shared on OSH Park. So all the best,